During peak traffic, websites can become overwhelmed and struggle to stay online, particularly for high-volume industries like e-commerce, financial services, and healthcare. Increased traffic can slow down your website or cause it to fail, damaging the customer experience and losing important transactions. And during essential maintenance, site owners need to control the number of visitors accessing a website while the maintenance is taking place, meaning minimal disruption to your customer's user experience. Imperva's virtual waiting room prevents websites from crashing during peak traffic periods, detecting abnormal increases in traffic and optimizing the visitor flow by redirecting users into a virtual waiting room. No one enjoys waiting, but visitors would rather know they are in an orderly queue with an estimated wait time than not be able to reach your site at all. Reduce cart abandonment and increase conversion. With the controls to set your own visitor threshold and customize your waiting room to your own message and brand specifications. Imperva's waiting room is simple to use and ready to go in only a few minutes. Our customers trust Imperva to improve their application performance. We are here to help at imperva.com.